Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Buffalo pickers? Yeah. Have you ever heard of my boy Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of my boy TP from Kentucky? I call him TP, the Tesla picker. He picking for a Tesla. Have you ever heard of my boy Big D? Fundamentals of the Side Hustle. Have you ever heard of Regina Renee? Yeah, have you ever heard of my boy that say picking ain't easy, but it is? Ha ha! Woo! Well, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, hey, woo! That we pick in the hood too! Yeah! Ha ha! Woo! I haven't made a video in a while, y'all. This video is what sold. I sold like 17 items. So we get ready to get to it. I don't want to take all night. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to it. Let's go through my new method. So I'm going to put y'all on hold for a minute. Yeah, first up, y'all, we got a Prince Graphite Lite XB tennis racket. Extra large tennis racket right here. I paid $2 for my tennis rackets. This one sold for, this one sold for $15.90. It's got like probably $8 shipping. Hold on, y'all. Next up, we got, I sold like 2 books today. Next up, we got a book. Shoot. Sorry, y'all. We got this Twilight book right here. It's a special anniversary edition. It's got two books in it. The Life and the Death of Twilight, Reimage. Then on the other side, it's got Twilight. This book sold for $24.90. I got free shipping because you know this media mail. So I put free shipping on there. Next up, y'all, is Pampered Chef. I don't know what this for. Piece of rolling pin or whatever. It's brand new. The Pampered Chef right here. Baker's roller. It sold for $23.50. I got $4 shipping and handling on there. But y'all see that. I paid $2 for this. $2. Next up, we got video game. Brand new. Madden 25. This came out in 2014. This Madden 25 right here. Anniversary edition. This sold for $30.70. I got free shipping on that. $30.70. Next up is another Pyrex bowl. This is an extra large Pyrex bowl. It's pretty big. See it? If y'all want to know the number, this is $326, I think. Pyrex, $326. Y'all can see I paid $3 for that. $3. I took the pictures with the tag on it. I don't know why I took the pictures with the tag on it. But I paid $3 for it. This sold for $25.90 for $8 shipping and handling. Next up, I got a vintage Tyco railroad track. This sold for $18, $6 shipping and handling. Next up, y'all remember this? Woo! This popcorn butter machine. Woo, look at that. Look at that price right there. $9. This sold for $300, y'all. $300. Popcorn squirter. Popcorn butter machine. That sold for $300. Next up, some light bulbs. I paid 50 cents a piece for these. These sold for, I'm sorry, that popcorn thing, $18 shipping and handling. These light bulbs, these G 2-pack light bulbs, I'm selling them as 2-packs. I paid 50 cents a piece for these. They sold at $15.20, $2 shipping and handling. Next up, we got some more, oh, here it is. Got some more Hallmark Keepsake. See that, y'all? This is a little miniature one. This is a little miniature Hallmark Keepsake. I told y'all to watch these. This sold for $4.50, $4 shipping and handling. I paid 50 cents for that. Okay, next up, I got a ping golf club. This is a putter. I'm gonna tell y'all how I got this. Y'all know I'm a handyman, so I clean houses out. I do clean out stuff like that. So I was taking a trailer over to Goodwill. I took 7 trailers that day. While I was dumping my trailer, taking the stuff out of my trailer, I saw this hanging out of a bin. So I grabbed it. I knew what it was, and I saw the end of it. See, I saw the end sticking out. It said ping on it. See that? This is a damn near brand new putter. Anyway, I looked it up, and it was selling for like $120. So I sold this one for $100. This was free. Now the cover is kind of beat up and raggedy, but look at this. Look at that. They must have a cover. They must have a store with the cover on it. Look at that. Brand new. Look at the handle. Never been used. Look at her. Never been used. Anyway, this sold for $100. I got it for free. $100. Next up, I got a toy. I've been having this. Next up, I sold, I sold 10 of these. There's some medical stuff that I came across. These are Halyard Closed Suction System machine. I put them in a pack of 10 because that's all I had was 10. These sold for $72, $9 shipping and handling. Okay, next up is Junior PJ Mask. Now, when I want this thing to light up, it lights up. There you go. This sold for, I wish I would put shipping and handling up. This is free shipping and handling. They weigh over £1. But anyway, this sold for $19.70. I think on the other one, I'm going to put shipping and handling on there. Because I lost on this one. Okay, next up, I sold another video game. Brand new. PS3, Devil May Cry. Brand new. This sold for $36.70. Free shipping. Next up, I sold another book. Stephen King, The Institute. This is a first edition. Stephen King, The Institute. How you can tell it's a first edition? Turn on this page right here. You see all those numbers? That's a 1 right there. That means first edition. And then it'll say it on here. It'll say first edition somewhere on here. But it's the first edition. That's how you can tell right there. This sold for, it sold for that much, $13.10. And the buyer paid $3 and something for shipping and handling. Okay, next up, Davy Crockett. Davy Crockett, brand new VHS. Brand new. I got 2 of these. Brand new. I paid 50 cents a piece for them. Matter of fact, right now, Goodwill you get 5 for $1. So you get 5 for $1. So they weigh less than 50 cents. You get 5 videotapes for $1. So this one sold for $5.20, $2.80 shipping and handling. Okay. Next up, I don't even know what this is, but it's like an ugly. Oh, something wrong. It's like an ugly stone carving or something. I don't know. I'm finna show it to y'all. It's ugly as hell. So I don't know what they're gonna do with it. Stare at it. I don't know. All I know is it's ugly. Look at that. That's ugly as hell. Anyway, brand new. I don't know what it is, but it's brand new. This sold for $20, and the buyer paid $8 shipping and handling. I don't know. People buy anything, and that's ugly as hell. Sorry, y'all. Y'all made me take that out. Okay, next up, I sold a PC game. Hawk. Brand new PC game. I've been having this for a while. I've been having this for probably about 8 months. What the hell? Sorry. I had this for about 8 months. And it's just sold, so I don't care. It was on my store. I'm paying every month, so I don't give a damn. This sold just now for $17.90. $2.80 shipping and handling. Next up, and the last thing, y'all look out for these two. This is not a keepsake. This is a heirloom collection. It's by Cards. These are probably more. How can I put it? I can say more expensive than Hallmark, but you can get a good price for these. I paid 50 cents for this. This sold for $12.90, $3 shipping and handling. Okay, y'all. Well, that's it. Woo, that's it. Look at that. I don't want to show y'all my side of the room. Look at that. Woo, that's a mess. But anyway, I'm going to keep it on this side. Anyway, y'all, that's it. I sold 17 things, and you can see I sold some stuff that's worth a little money. 2 items that I sold is $400 by itself. But anyway, even if I don't give a damn. If it's $4, I'd take that too. But I'm just telling y'all what that I got some expensive items that went out. But anyway, I hope y'all taking care of yourself. Stay away from the COVID. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from that. And yeah, let me turn that light on. Anyway, y'all stay away from that COVID. And wear your mask when you go out. And I'll talk to y'all later. You know what I'm saying? I'll be on Buffalo Pickers this Friday night. I'll be on his show, on Big Buff Show. You know what I'm saying? On Friday night. Y'all check that out. But anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You know, subscribe. Tell your buddies to subscribe. And I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Keep on watching, because I'm going to keep on putting out content. That took a little while for me to make this video because I've been busy. But you know what? Y'all know it. Y'all know that we picking the hood too. Yeah, we ain't gonna never stop. Peace.